Hi, I'm Quinton, and this is my dad, Joe.
We're going to be talking today about this new fantasy card on Clash Royale. It's called the Tsunami. Let us know if you like it or not. Leave it in the comment section. If you like it, say yes. If you don't, say no. And tell us what you would like to see as a new fantasy card. So here we go. Here's the fantasy card, Tsunami. It's a legendary.
And it costs 9. It's very powerful.
You can see that it creates damage of 1,200 points. So what happens to the big giants, Quinn?
It doesn't kill him.
Yeah.
It's because they're so powerful.
Right. And what about the small cards?
They get killed easily by...
The stuff that flies?
Nope, not even. Don't worry.
I like purple water.
But here's a good thing. So you when you put a tsunami, your opponent might be smart to put an air thing.
Right. And avoid the attack. This is nice too. Water conducts electricity. After you put water in there, you put a lightning spell, and basically you kill everything.
Yeah. Well, if you would like it, you would have to put a thumbs up. But if you don't like it, you would have to put a thumbs down.
Don't tell them to put a thumbs down.